Welcome everybody to Bronco Mustang Lifestyle, and here's my brand new Tesla right here. And I got my license plate in the mail today, and in Texas we have to have front plates. And I did not want to have to drill in. I wasn't sure about what my options were, and then I found out Tesla provides you one, and it's in the trunk area, which is awesome. So I figured, okay, I look at it and I'm thinking, well, how does this thing go together and what is going on? And I go to YouTube, and man, that's when the kind of little bit of panic kicks in, because what in the world, nothing seems to match up, and there's nothing more than having something brand new and then not being able to kind of figure out how to do it. And so here we go. I'm going to show you what I found, and let's get started on this, because this is going to be different. So I've run into a dilemma. I finally got my plates in today, and I got to mount the front license plate bracket. Looked on YouTube. There's a ton of videos that are just like this one that show the license plate bracket looking like this. So you have like 3 pieces of tape. It has the built-in curve on it right there where it fits on the bumper. And I'm thinking, okay, that's kind of easy. This shouldn't be hard. But here's the dilemma. This is what I have. It doesn't look like that one they just showed. So as you can clearly see, there's the one they showed in the video that has a built-in curve with the tape. And here's mine that doesn't look the same. It has a little tab at the bottom. I'm like, oh my gosh, I got to figure this out. According to the instructions, this little piece right here, it just kind of goes right where the camera is. And if you push it, it actually fits right on top of the camera. And then you can see how this is going to mount. Like that. So that's pretty sweet. And then this piece underneath, you just break it off and you're done. So I spray a little bit of this little alcohol right on here, and I've got a clean microfiber. I'm just going to make sure that there's no wax. I mean, this thing's clean, but I don't want anything that's going to interfere with the adhesion of the 3M tape. And some people that are worried, like, uh-oh, how do you know it's going to stick? Well, I've had 3M tape on my Bronco that holds up the hood protector. And this hood protector had 3M tape that runs along here and also up front and on the edges. This has been on for over a year. I wash it with a pressure washer, and it's on here great. It does not move. It does a nice job. So I'm very confident in the 3M tape, but I wanted to show, this is on the front of this vehicle. So if this wasn't going to adhere, I'd end up worrying about this thing flipping off, flying off, or when I wash it, coming off. Not the case. So once you get this piece on here, it actually fits right over the camera. You can, like, you push right here. I can push in and hold it, and this flips down, so I can actually undo this tape on both of them and then put it back up like this, holding it in place, and put it here. You just got to make sure that it is level and even. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this down a little bit, and I'm gonna pull this up, and then I'm gonna get it where it fits right here on the camera, and I'm gonna make sure it's nice and level. And it looks good. One's on, and here's this one. That's on. Now I just got to get this and break it off. But there we go. Let's see if I can get this off. Oh, came off super easy, guys. And it's going to be warm today, so it's going to be 85. I'm going to do this in cold weather, but you want it for warmer temperature, I'll help this to adhere. But that's it, and it is mounted, guys. Awesome. Simple. In case you're wondering, there's the part number for that front license plate, and then here it is on the vehicle, all nice and centered. Man, couldn't have been easier. Well, anytime you try something new, it can be a little bit stressful, but you know what? You just got to deal with it, push through it, and make it happen, and that's kind of what we did. So, man, not too bad. it went on easier than I thought. Tesla did a nice job designing this thing. So in case you're interested, this is another upgrade. I've added on the mud flaps. I've added on interior mats if you want to check out that video. And here is Snowball. So, whew, a lot of stress over nothing, but hopefully you guys can relate. Doing something new and not accustomed to it, it does lead to a few moments of tension. Hopefully this will help somebody out. Let me know in the comments, you know, if it's beneficial to you guys. Appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.